Did you know that it takes an average of 3 years to design and build a commercial airplane? That's right. From the initial sketch to the final product ready to take to the skies, the process is a complex dance of engineering, technology, and human skill. Imagine starting with a mere concept, a need for faster, more efficient travel. Engineers and designers come together to brainstorm this concept. They consider everything from aerodynamics, safety, and fuel efficiency to passenger comfort and environmental impact. This stage, known as the design phase, involves extensive research and development, utilizing advanced software tools to simulate performance and detect potential issues. Once the design is approved, it's time to create detailed blueprints. And then, the real magic begins, the manufacturing phase. Here, the airplane starts to take physical shape. First, the construction of the individual components takes place. This includes the wings, fuselage, tail, and engines. High-tech materials like carbon fiber composites and lightweight alloys are used to enhance the aircraft's performance and durability. The assembly line beckons next. In a carefully choreographed sequence, each component finds its way to the assembly hall. This is where elements such as the wings and the fuselage are joined together. This stage requires precision and coordination, as workers and robots work in tandem to ensure every bolt, screw, and panel is perfectly in place. Electrical systems and interiors follow. Wiring is installed to power everything from the engines to the in-flight entertainment systems. Seats, lavatories, overhead bins, and galleys are fitted to ensure passenger comfort and convenience. It's like watching a giant jigsaw puzzle come together, where every piece must fit perfectly to ensure safety and functionality. But the journey doesn't end here. After assembly, the airplane undergoes rigorous testing. Systems are checked and rechecked. The aircraft is subjected to everything from extreme weather conditions to simulated flight experiences. Safety is paramount, and no stone is left unturned. Finally, after successful tests, the airplane is painted and polished, ready for its maiden voyage. It's a moment of pride for the hundreds, if not thousands, of people involved in its creation. From the engineers who envisioned it to the workers on the factory floor, each plays a crucial role in bringing the marvel of modern aviation to life. In summary, airplane manufacturing is a fascinating blend of science and art. It begins with an innovative design, followed by meticulous manufacturing, assembly, and rigorous testing. Each step is crucial, ensuring that when an airplane takes off, it's not just a machine soaring into the blue. It's a testament to human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of advancement. Aeroplane manufacturing indeed showcases the incredible capabilities of modern technology and engineering, pushing boundaries and redefining what is possible in the realm of aviation.